Bet number 1. If angle 2 is 37 degrees, you want to label it on the picture. So here's angle 2, 37 degrees. Okay, did you draw that picture? Did you label that? You should. Now, what's the trick I taught y'all to figure out 3 other angles real quick? Okay, so what it kind of like looks like a what? Like a Z or a zigzag. It's alternating every other angle. So every acute angle alternating in a zigzag is going to be the exact same. So angle 3, angle 6, and angle 7 are all 37 degrees. Okay? Do you see how it's zigzagging? Okay? So if you know one, you know 3 other ones immediately. Okay? And then to get the rest of them, to get that, you have to subtract from 180, like you said. And so let's do that. 180 minus 37 is 143 degrees. So every obtuse angle going in a zigzag the other way is going to be 143 degrees. So today, on the quiz, if I give you one angle, can you label the rest of them? Shouldn't be that bad, right? Now, for the rest of this, I had a question earlier. Will you have them labeled for you? The answer is yes, you will, right? All right. On the quiz, I'm going to give you a bank of terms or phrases that you need to know. So the 5 possibilities are alternate interior, alternate exterior, same side interior, same side exterior, and corresponding is the weird one. So let's look at this. 2 and 6, okay? What do y'all think? So is 2 inside or outside the parallels? 2 is outside the parallels. 6 is inside the parallels. Since 1 is out and 1 is in, you can't say it's interior, you can't say it's exterior, because they don't match. Starts with the C, corresponding, okay? So when they're on the same side of this line, by the way, I'm going to do this in green. What is this line called right here? Nope. Transversal, okay? So if they're on the same side of the transversal, but one's in and one's out of the parallels, we call that corresponding, okay? So we will... 2 and 6 are corresponding, yes. So, hold on to that. What's another example of corresponding? 2 and 6, what about... Okay, so 4 and 8, that is corresponding. They're on the same side, one's in, one's out. What else? 5 and 1, one's in, one's out on the same side. And then what else? 3 and 7. Okay, 1 and 5, yes, but 3 and 7 are on the same side of the transversal, one's in, one's out of the parallels. Okay, so those are corresponding. Now, and did everyone get that for today's quiz, right? So on 1 and 8, what do we call 1 and 8? Are they in the parallels or outside the parallels? Outside. It's not between, so we call them, yes, exterior. And then we look at the green line that I drew here. Are they on the same side or alternate sides? Alternate. One's on the left side of the green, 8's on the right side of the green. Okay, so those are alternate, and we said exterior angles. Okay, so I'm going to abbreviate alternate exterior angles. Okay, so everyone's getting this for our quiz today, right? Asking good questions in case you don't understand. So 3 and 5, are these interior or exterior? Okay, does it make sense why they're interior? They're between the parallels. Okay, and are they on the same side of the transversal or alternate? Okay, 3 and 5 are both on the left of the transversal. They're same side, and they're between the parallels, so that's same side interior. Okay, now 4 and 5, are they inside or outside the parallels? Okay, they're between the parallels, that's interior. And are they alternate or same side? 4 and 5. 5's on the left. Right, 5's on the left, 4's on the right. They're alternate, and yes, interior. Alternate interior. Very good. Interior. And then 2 and 8. Okay, So 2 and 8 are exterior. They're outside the parallels, right? Okay, 2 and 8 are outside the parallels, and they're on the right side of the transversal, so they are same side exterior. Okay, now those are the 5 new phrases that we learned last Monday, right? Okay, the quiz today is on this stuff. There's one last thing. So let's recap. If you're given an angle, you can fill the rest in. If I give you 2 angles, tell me what they are. Okay, just remember corresponding is a weird one. Here's the last thing you got to know. Okay, so recap. Corresponding is when they're on the same side, but one's in and one's out, like 2 and 6. Now, you also have to know if they're congruent or supplementary. So, what was the rule I taught you for supplementary? Okay, I call it the S rule. If the name has same side in it, then it's going to be supplementary. Okay, now technically corresponding angles are on the same side, but the name doesn't have the word same side in it. Okay, so if it's not same side, it's congruent. Okay, so it's kind of a quick way to figure that stuff out. So let's off to the side. I'm going to write these down. So corresponding, is that congruent or supplementary? Congruent. Okay, corresponding are corresponding, and they're congruent because it doesn't say same side. Same side or supplementary, nothing else. What about alternate exterior? Okay, alternate exterior are congruent because it doesn't say same side, right? What about same side interior? Does everyone hear me say this? Same side are supplementary. Same side are supplementary. Okay, and then what about alternate interior? Congruent because it's not same side, right? So congruent. And then last but not least, same side exterior are supplementary. Okay, so make sure you have this written down in your journal because you have a quiz on this stuff today.